Funny friends, if you think that personality means attractive physical feature, dressing, mannerism and language, you are wrong. Such a understanding of personality does not help you. Personality means the way we act and behave, your thinking, your value system and your awareness. Friend, I am Ramchandra Rai and you are watching Prayas Vikalp, a channel which strengthens your personality through increase in your level of awareness about various things. In that sequence, I welcome you to this second episode of my masterclass on climate change. In the first episode, we saw what is climate, what is climate change, what are greenhouse gases, how they do global warming, and how it all started. In today's episode, that is the second episode, we are going to see what are consequences of climate change. The consequences I am going to discuss in two parts. First is health issues and second is other issues. But before I start discussion on this very important aspect of climate change, I want to share some very important things with only those people who have come first time on this channel. Therefore, those who are subscriber, old visitor to our channel, they can skip this part and see the rest of the video. First thing, if you want to attend my live session, please go to description box. You will get two links there. One is for free webinar and another is for suggestion for free webinar. If a subject of your choice is already scheduled, you can register, I will invite. And if it has not been scheduled, you please give a suggestion along with your details, I will invite you. Second thing, after retirement from government service, I am working in the area of personality development. In case you are interested in this subject, want to participate in discussions, etc., you can join our community platform which is called Prayas Vichar Manch. There is a link provided, you give your details, we will let you join. The third and very important, you cannot be successful in any field whatsoever unless your action, behavior, conduct is suitable. And your action and behavior is outcome of your own thinking, your thought system, your value system, your belief system. And this is outcome of whatever information you have gathered so far, whatever experience you have gained so far. Therefore, by changing your level of awareness, by comparing comparable information and comparable experiences, and thereby changing your value system, belief system and thought process, I am trying to change your behavior, your action, your personality. For that purpose, I am directing a special personality development program which has got 5 modules separately for students, working professionals, entrepreneurs, government officials and those who have retired, considering their special requirements. If you want to know details about this particular course, there is a link provided, you click it, you will get fundamental details. But if you want details of each and every module, please visit our website. Complete information is available along with FAQ. All your doubts will be cleared there. And last, since I have competed in civil service without coaching, without spending a penny, even when I come from a poor farmer family of Eastern UP, I believe if I can do, others can also do. Therefore, I don't want that any poor person, poorest of the poor, should also be deprived of benefit of this particular program which I am directing. For that purpose, I have created a special revenue model, but I require your help. Friend, I am not demanding any money or financial assistance from you. I am simply requesting that in case you have got 1.5 hour time free, after doing all your activity wherever you are, you can donate that time to me, to us, and conduct this particular course on my behalf under my direction and training. And you will get some income also. Friend, I am sure that you are going to check the description box and help me in whatever you can. Friend, now let us discuss the serious consequences of climate change. Now I am going to discuss this thing in 3 parts. First thing I am going to discuss the health impact of greenhouse gases. That means, number 1, they increase temperature. Second thing, they directly hit you also. I am talking of pollution. Now pollution can be of different type: air pollution, soil pollution, heat pollution, noise pollution, visual pollution, plastic pollution. But here I am going to discuss only air pollution, because we are talking of greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, monoxide and other gases. Then I am going to discuss the health issues created out of increase in heat. And lastly, I am going to discuss other implication of increase in temperature, that is the global warming. Now, so far air pollution is concerned, if you are residing in a polluted area, you will and can be affected by respiratory infection, pneumonia, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), heart disease like stroke and heart attack, lung cancer, because tiny particles, which you inhale, 2.5 or whatever, they create lung cancer. And irony is that it is normally detected very late. Then there can be dementia. There could be cognitive impairment and other neurological disorders. Because pollution affects brain also very badly. Now you can imagine the impact it will have on children. Then your immunity can be damaged. Reproductive strength can become weak. That is very serious implication. There could be irritation in your eye, nose, throat, etc. on day-to-day basis. There could be coughing, cough and cold frequently, chest tightness, and breathing difficulties. Now, those who are already having existing lung problems, heart problem, it can become more serious. And I can tell you that children, old people, outdoor workers, and pregnant ladies are the most affected segment of population due to air pollution. You may not be aware, 7 million people died in 2019 only because of air pollution. Now you must have realized the seriousness of this problem. Now let us come to the second part. What happens on health front because of global warming, that is the increase of temperature. If the temperature goes on increasing because of trapping of sun heat, because of greenhouse effect, you will face dehydration, heat cramps, heat fatigue, dermatitis. You can faint. There could be swelling. There could be exhaustion. You can be exhausted. You can have stroke, heart attacks, kidney failures, headache, mood and behavioral disorders like schizophrenia, mania, neurotic disorders. Stress can go up. Mental health issue can arise like anxiety, mood swings and depression. You could be victim of negative emotions like anger, rage. You have seen so many cases of road rage cases. Murders only on the issue of parking. So we become very, very agitated because of heat. Then, the most important, the impairment of the area of the brain which is responsible for complex cognitive tasks. So that means cognitive ability gets compromised because of this heat. So friend, you have seen that pollution is producing so many problems, health issues. Heat is also producing so many health issues. Because of health problem, there is tremendous amount of loss of manpower hours. If you are a student, your study will be affected. If you are working professionally, your work will be affected. Your earning will be affected. Your economic condition will be affected. Government has to spend so much money on healthcare because of that. You have to spend so much money from your pocket. You will become poor. Government will also become poor. And the money which could be used elsewhere will be used on health. Economic development will certainly slow down because of less contribution of manpower. Sorry. Because of your impediment of your cognitive abilities. The ability of manpower will be compromised. Productivity will be compromised. Now, let us discuss certain other issues which can arise because of global warming. The first thing, increase in the level of sea level. Why? The water expands because of heat. Solar ice is melting. Glaciers are melting because of heat. So, because of all these phenomena, the sea level will increase. Now, once the sea level increase, what it will do? Sea water is salty water. It will get mixed with the sweet water of the ground or even groundwater in the coastal areas. So it will damage agricultural productivity. This is number one. Second thing, that so many important cities, commercial centers are situated on coast like Bombay, Chennai, Calcutta, Cochin, Trivandrum. Bulk of those cities will get submerged in water. It can lead to tremendous economic loss. You can imagine what will happen to Bombay. This is the second aspect of it. Now the third very negative impact of climate change is, or global warming is, that your weather condition becomes very erratic. The weather become extreme. Extreme drought, extreme floods, extreme rain, no rain, heat waves, shortage of drinking water because of all this. Sharp drop in the productive agriculture. Can you imagine that if the productivity drops significantly, how we are going to feed our 140 crore people? You do require two square meals. From where it will come? Of course, I have discussed loss of manpower, man hours, etc., etc. Increase in the cost of health care. This will lead to increase in poverty because of health expenditure, etc., and loss of earning power. Now, the country of global south who are already very, very poor, they will become more poor. Now, unless you have got money to fund technology which can take care of it, how you will manage? That we are going to discuss later on, but right now we should consider that the economic development will slow down. The quality of life will become hell because of health issues and other things which will happen. Global South is going to suffer much more than Global North. Now, friend, I hope that by now you understand what type of repercussion climate change can bring, pollution can bring. Friend, today I want to close my discussion at this point. In the third episode of this masterclass, I am going to discuss what are fundamental causes, who all people are responsible, how far we are responsible as an individual, how far governments are responsible, how far international community is responsible. And the last part of this masterclass, that is the fourth episode, I am going to discuss what remedial measures are possible. Can we arrest it? And I can tell you, I have only discussed the short-term impact. Long-term impact means elimination of life from the earth. That will happen, not happen, I can't discuss. But what is happening, I have discussed. It is reality. Friend, I want to take leave from you, but before leaving, I want to request, please ensure your fitness, mental or physical. Mental fitness can be achieved only when you keep away from all type of garbage, negative information which is floating all around social media and other media. Only associate with good news, good books, good podcasts. So many things are available, you can gain out of them and your mental fitness will be better. So far physical fitness is concerned, you have to be very alert, active. You have to do exercise, yoga, walking, meditation, cycling, swimming. And you have to be very careful about what you eat, what diet you are taking. You have to take proper sleep. You have to adopt healthy lifestyle. You have to maintain work-life balance. If you can do that, you will be fit. And I can assure you that you will do wonders in whatever field you want to work, provided it matches with your personality traits. Friend, thank you very much for listening me. I am sure you have got some value in this video. If that is so, please share this video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do that. Thank you very much for listening me.